Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial function and end behavior. Let's solve it together. The function v of x equals negative x to the power of 7 plus 6x to the power of 4 excuse me, minus 9x plus 1. What is the end behavior of v? Let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is negative x to the power of 7. Now let's understand how the leading term, negative x to the power of 7, dictates the behavior as x approaches the positive infinity and negative infinity. So to do that, I'm going to analyze this as negative x to the power of 7. I will split this into two pieces. First, I will analyze the x to the power of 7 section. So when you put a negative value for x, and since the exponent is an odd number, this is going to result to negative. And when you put positive for the x, this is going to result into positive. So which means that negative times x to the power of 7 is going to be negative times negative for the first case, which is positive, and the second case, and when the result is positive, so then it's going to be turned to negative. So when as x approaches to negative infinity, the function v approaches to positive infinity, and in the second case, as x approaches to positive infinity, the function approaches to negative infinity. So based on this analysis, let's take a look at the choices. So we have choice here. Let me see. So it's for, first of all, for positive, it's gonna turn into negative. For positive, it's gonna turn into negative. So it can be either A or D in this case. For negative, it's gonna turn into positive. So the result will be choice D, positive. So this is how you solve these questions. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.